Your fish didn't just die. It was almost certainly killed by something you couldn't see, doing everything you thought was right. The hard part of fish keeping isn't the fish, it's the water. 7 mistakes account for the vast majority of beginner fish deaths. Let's go through all 7, starting with the one that quietly kills more fish than any other. Mistake 1, adding fish to a tank that isn't cycled. A new tank is sterile. When fish waste breaks down, it releases ammonia, which burns a fish's gills and is lethal in tiny amounts. In an established tank, invisible bacteria convert that ammonia into nitrite and then into far less toxic nitrate. But that bacteria colony takes 4 to 6 weeks to grow. The safe way is a fishless cycle. Grow the bacteria before any fish go in. You just feed the bacteria an ammonia source. Bottled aquarium ammonia is the cleanest option. A pinch of fish food works, but it's imprecise. A raw shrimp works too, but it's messy. Wait until ammonia and nitrite both read 0, and you see some nitrate. Then, and only then, add your fish. Already have fish in a brand new tank? That's a fission cycle, and it's riskier. Keep ammonia and nitrite near 0 with small daily water changes, and test every single day. Mistake 2, trusting that the water looks clean. Clear water can be chemically deadly, and cloudy water can be perfectly safe. You cannot see ammonia. You cannot see nitrite. The single most useful thing a beginner can own is a liquid test kit, not strips. If you only buy one tool, buy that. Test weekly once you're established, and daily if you're cycling with fish in the tank. Numbers, not eyeballs. Mistake 3, overfeeding. It feels like kindness, but uneaten food rots, spikes ammonia, and fuels algae. How much is right depends on the fish. A betta needs only 2 to 4 pellets a day. Goldfish are messy, heavy eaters. A pleco wants vegetables. The rule that travels, feed only what's eaten in about a minute, once or twice a day. Many keepers also fast healthy adult fish 1 day a week to aid digestion. Just don't fast baby fish, or any fish that's already thin. Mistake 4, not dechlorinating or temperature matching your tap water. The chlorine and chloramine that make tap water safe for you are toxic to fish, and they kill the beneficial bacteria you spent weeks growing. Treat every drop of new water with a dechlorinator and match its temperature to the tank within a degree or 2. A cold splash shocks fish just as surely as the chlorine does. Quick one. If this is already saving you a future fish, hit subscribe. New beginner-friendly guides every week. Mistake 5, the tank that's too small. Small tanks are harder, not easier. Less water means temperature, pH, and toxins swing fast and violently. There's no buffer. For a first tank, bigger is more forgiving. 20 gallons is far easier to keep stable than 5. Nano tanks can be beautiful, but they're an advanced build. We'll cover doing one right in its own video. Mistake 6, stocking on impulse. That cute fish at the store may hit a foot long, need a school of 10, or eat its tank mates. Most fish are sold at a fraction of their adult size, with none of that on the label. Research before you buy. Adult size, temperament, schooling needs, and water parameters. Buy for the fish you'll have in a year, not the one in the bag. Mistake 7, doing too much too fast. A panicked beginner deep cleans everything and wipes out the bacterial colony living in the filter and gravel. Now you're back to an uncycled tank with fish in it. Go slow. Change 20 to 30% of the water weekly, dechlorinated and temperature matched. Rinse filter media gently in old tank water, never tap, and never replace everything at once. In this hobby, patience is the whole skill. Cycle first. Test, don't guess. Underfeed. Dechlorinate and temperature match. Go bigger if you can. Research before you buy, and go slow. Get these 7 right, and you're past the stage where most beginners lose their fish. If this helped, subscribe. We put out a new beginner-friendly guide every week. The tools I'd start with, a liquid test kit, a dechlorinator, and a properly sized tank, are linked below. And watch this next, Why Your Fish Keep Dying. The nitrogen cycle. Explained simply.